Hi everyone, in this video, we will talk about what is the best mobile network in UK. O2 versus EE versus Vodafone versus 3. First, let's go with EE. EE boasts extensive 4G coverage, reaching 99% of the UK population, and leads in 5G availability, covering more locations than any other network. It is renowned for the fastest speeds among UK networks. For the pricing, EE's plans are generally priced higher compared to competitors. Subscribers may receive free subscription to services like BT Sport, Apple Music, and BritBox. Next is the Vodafone. Vodafone offers 99% 4G coverage across the UK and thus growing 5G presence. Its speeds are competitive, though slightly behind EE. Vodafone's plans are moderately priced, often offering good value, especially through cashback deals. For its perks, the VeryMe Rewards program provides free coffees, discounts, and data boosts. Additionally, Vodafone offers free roaming in numerous country and entertainment subscriptions. For O2, O2 provides extensive 4G coverage and is expanding its 5G network. However, it may experience congestion during peak times, potentially affecting speeds. O2's plans are competitively priced, offering a balance between costs and benefits. For its perks, O2 Priority grants early access to event tickets, free weekly breakfasts, and discounts at various retailers. The network also offers numerous Wi-Fi hotspots across the UK. Now for 3 has comprehensive 4G coverage and is expanding its 5G services. It has been recognized for having the fastest 5G mobile network in recent years. For the pricing, 3 is known for offering affordable plans, particularly appealing to data-intensive users with its competitive unlimited data options. 3 provides free roaming in numerous countries and various travel-related incentives. Now which one should you choose? Best for coverage and speed is EE. Now best for value and data is 3. It offers competitive pricing and generous data allowances, suitable for heavy data users. Now best for perks and rewards is O2 and Vodafone. And that's basically it.